Darlings, if you've been paying attention, it's easy to see prices are going up on just about everything. That's why you need to do your wallet a favor and call CarShield now. One call to CarShield locks you into today's low price, so you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you're not only protected from mechanical breakdowns, but also from those rising rates. If you're driving an out-of-warranty vehicle, CarShield offers plans that cover up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car, truck, or SUV. Why pay for expensive repairs? Call CarShield now before a breakdown.
I appreciate the fact that CarShield enables me to have a much less stressful, carefree life.
CarShield is peace of mind. You want to be able to depend on your car.
With our plan through CarShield, we have unlimited miles and we can visit our grandkids anytime we want to.
CarShield helped me save over $1,200.
CarShield Administrators covers expensive repairs so I don't have to.
It's so simple. A plan through CarShield means when you have a vehicle that needs repairs, their administrators got your back. But wait, darlings, there's more, lots more, especially if you love extras like I do. See, I love a plan that includes 24/7 coast-to-coast roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options too. Darlings, expensive car breakdowns will happen. The difference is calling CarShield before they do. So listen to Auntie Vivica and call CarShield now to protect yourself from rising rates and costly repairs. Call now and get yourself a free quote.
It's not a matter of if your car will break down, but when. Call CarShield and get a price lock guarantee, which means you pay the same rate as long as you cover your car. A plan through CarShield offers even more benefits to make your life better, with 24/7 roadside assistance included at no extra cost. That includes lockout and dead battery help, tire assistance, and courtesy towing. Call CarShield now. Call 800-579-6554.